we are literally watching the tornado pass by us as it heads toward downtown Birmingham. I cannot tell you whether we're in the direct path or not because we can't see to our left because we're blocked by a building, but we will know soon. Anyway, we appreciate your patience tonight as we have come as close as you can to freaking out live on the radio. Thanks everyone up here who has stuck around. My hat's off to you for not hightailing it out of here while you still had a chance to get home to your family and perhaps live to see another day. Thanks for listening. We'll see you tomorrow.
You turn the lights off so we can see.